Welcome, aspiring scriptwriters, to today's session where we'll uncover the secrets of crafting an engaging script. Whether you are into screenplays, video scripts, or any form of storytelling, these tips will elevate your writing to the next level. Tip 1: Strong characters. The heart of any script lies in its characters. Create relatable, multidimensional characters that the audience can root for or against. Make them memorable and flawed, just like real people. Tip 2: Compelling dialogue. Great scripts are known for their sharp, authentic dialogue. Listen to how people talk, and infuse your script with natural conversations. Each line should serve a purpose, driving the story forward, or revealing character traits. Tip 3: Visual storytelling. In screenwriting, show, don't tell. Paint vivid pictures with your words, allowing the reader to visualize the scenes. Use descriptions and actions to convey emotions and subtext. Tip 4: Story structure. Craft a well-defined story structure with a clear beginning, middle, and end. Create tension and conflict that keeps the audience engaged. Use plot twists to surprise and captivate. Tip number 5. Tip 5: Emotional impact. Touch the audience's emotions. Make them laugh, cry, or feel suspense. Engaging scripts connect on a personal level, evoking genuine emotional responses. Tip 6: Editing and revision. Your first draft is just the beginning. Don't shy away from revising and refining your script. Eliminate unnecessary elements and tighten the narrative. Tip 7: Trust your vision. Don't be afraid to take risks and trust your unique voice as a writer. Bold choices often lead to the most engaging scripts. In conclusion, an engaging script is the result of strong characters, compelling dialogue, visual storytelling, solid structure, emotional impact, rigorous editing, and the courage to be true to your vision. With these tools, you're ready to embark on your journey as a captivating storyteller. If you found these tips valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth guidance on script writing. Remember, the world is waiting for your stories. Happy writing, and may your scripts be truly engaging. Until next time, thank you for watching.